To use Bixby on Samsung Galaxy A37 5G, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to scroll all the way down until you find advanced features. From there, click on the Bixby right here. Make sure that your Bixby is set up and that you have your Samsung account currently logged in. Then there's a few different ways to call out your Bixby, and two most prominent ways is first voice generation, registration, and then you can call it out with one of those phrases or disable it. So if you say, hey Bixby, hi Bixby, then you can call it out. You can go for Bixby and that way also call it out. Next thing is the side button, so you can leave Bixby options and go into side button. In long press you can select Bixby and then use this button right here. Hold it to call out your Bixby assistant. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.